Hello everyone. I hope you've been practicing the Malay suku kata here. Let's review the vowel sounds and suku kata with B. A, I, U, Ba, B, Bu. Let's practice some more. Are you ready? Ba, B, Bu, Bu, B, Ba, B, Bu, Ba. Let's read this word. Here we have A. The suku kata here is Bu. Put them together, we have Abu. Abu is someone's name. Bu. Put them together. Bu. Bu. Ibu is mother. Who is this? Ini Abu. This is Abu. Ini Abu. Now, I'm going to write Ini Abu differently. I'm going to write it as a complete sentence like this. Can you see the difference? First of all, I use a capital letter here to begin my sentence. Okay, small letter, capital letter. Ini. And then I use a capital letter for the name. Small letter, capital letter, A. Abu. And finally, I use a full stop here at the end of the sentence to show that the sentence is finished. So how do we read this? Ini Abu. This is a complete sentence with a capital letter and a full stop at the end. Who is this? Ini Ina. This is Ina. It's okay. I'm going to write this in a complete sentence like this. So what have I changed? Small letter to a capital letter. Okay. And for the name, we need to use a capital letter. And then I end the sentence with a full stop. So, Ini Ina. Who is this? Ini Ibu. This is mother. But whose mother is this? Ini Ibu Ina. This is Ina's mother. Ini Ibu Ina. Ina. Can you see the difference? Okay, so I use a capital letter to begin the sentence and a capital letter for the name Ina, and finally a full stop to show that the sentence is finished. Okay, so this is a complete sentence. Ini ibu Ina. This is Ina's mother. Who is this? Ini ibu. This is mother. But whose mother is this? Ini ibu Abu. Oh, so this is Abu's mother. Ini ibu Abu. So can you see the difference here? Okay, I begin the sentence with a capital letter, and I use a capital letter to begin the name, and finally a full stop at the end of the sentence to show that the sentence is finished. Let's read it again. Ini ibu Abu. Okay. Remember to keep trying. That's all we have for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.